Hi students, how are you? Today we are continuing our class complex numbers. We did some problems in the previous class related to polar form and locus and how to prove that given points are form an equilateral triangle rhombus like that. Let us go for one more problem. If z equal to x plus iy, if z equal to x plus iy, and if the point P in the organ plane, and if the point P in the organ plane, in the organ plane represents Z, then find the locus of P, then find the locus of Z, then find the locus of Z satisfying modulus z minus 2 minus 3i equal to 5. Understand? Okay. Let us given z equal to x plus iy. Okay. Consider modulus z minus 2 minus 3i equal to 5. Wherever z is there, put x plus iy minus 2 minus 3i equal to 5. Understand? Separate the real and imaginary parts as like this. Modulus x minus 2 real part, I get common, y minus 3 equal to 5. Use the modulus formula. Modulus of a complex number, root of real part square plus imaginary part square equal to 5. Squaring on both sides, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 5 square. Okay. Now expand the first term, x square plus 4x minus 4 x square plus 4 minus 4x expanded by a minus b whole square. Here also same thing, y square plus 9 minus 6y minus 25 equal to 0. Now this can be taken as x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 21 equal to 0. This is required locus of the given complex number, x 4x minus y, but 9 plus 4 13 minus 12 25 minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, this is our required locus of z. Understand? Okay, now the next problem. Okay, so same, find the locus of z satisfying the equation as like this, an argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to pi by 4 equal to pi by 4. Understand? Okay. This can be same z equal to x plus iy if the point P in the argand plane represents z. Find the locus of z satisfying the condition argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to pi by 4. Now, given z equal to x plus iy, consider argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to pi by 4. Understand? This can be taken as like this. Argument of z value put here, x plus iy minus 1 by x plus iy plus 1 equal to pi by 4. Understand? It can be taken as argument of, okay, x minus 1 plus iy by x plus 1 plus iy. Conjugate the denominator. The conjugation is x plus 1 minus iy by x plus 1 minus iy equal to pi by 4. Understand? The numerator, argument of, okay, numerator, this is minus, this is the same, x plus 1 into minus iy. Denominator in the form of a plus b into minus b. In numerator, multiply the values x minus 1 into x plus 1, x square minus 1, x minus 1 into iy minus y into x minus 1 plus iy into x plus 1. Understand? Plus into minus, minus I square y square all by denominator. Here we have multiplied as like this, x minus 1 x plus 1, x square minus 1, x minus 1 into iy, minus is there, minus I into yx minus 1 plus iy into x plus 1 plus into minus, minus I square y square. Denominator in the form of a plus b into minus b, a square minus b square equal to pi by 4. Understand? Now, this can be taken as like this, argument of, okay, argument of, take this one, x square minus 1, x square minus 1 minus iy of x minus 1, iy of x minus 1 plus I into y of x plus 1. Listen one thing, you know the value of I square equal to minus 1. That minus and minus will be plus y square all by x plus 1 whole square plus I square means plus y square. I square value minus 1 equal to pi by 4. It can be taken as argument of, separate the real and imaginary parts. What is the real part here? X square minus 1 also y square real part. I get common. When I get common in these two terms, what will come here? y into x plus 1 minus y into x minus 1. This is imaginary part. By denominator x plus 1 whole square plus y square equal to pi by 4. Now, here listen one thing. This can be written as argument of separate the real and imaginary parts. Split the fraction x square minus 1 plus y square by x plus 1 whole square plus y square plus I into y of x plus 1 minus y of x minus 1 whole by x plus 1 whole square plus y square equal to pi by 4. Now, I have already told you how do we take the argument of z. Formula is if z equal to x plus iy, then argument z equal to tan inverse y by x. Understand? We can take like this. Okay? Now, this is argument of x plus iy form. We should write it as tan inverse of, okay, y by x. First this term, next that term. Y into x plus 1 minus y into x minus 1 all by x plus 1 whole square plus y square all by x square minus 1 plus y square all by x plus 1 whole square plus y square equal to pi by 4. This is get cancelled. This tan inverse if transposed to right side, tan inverse of, this can be written as y into x plus 1 minus y into x minus 1 by x square minus 1 plus y square equal to the tan inverse transposed to right side. It will be tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value how much? 1. So, it can be numerator can be written as, open the bracket, yx plus y minus yx plus y. In numerator, open the bracket, denominator same, x square minus 1 plus y square. Tan pi by 4 value 1. Next, minus yx get cancelled. By taking cross multiply, this can be getting as like this, 2y by x square minus 1 plus y square equal to 1 by 1. Now, take cross multiplication. What will come? X square minus 1 plus y square equal to 2y. This can be written as x square plus y square minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is our required result. Understand? Now, the next thing is, let us go for another problem. Understand? That problem as like this. Okay? Now, the points p comma q denote the complex numbers z1 comma z2. Another question is, the points, okay, the points p comma q denote the complex numbers, p comma q denote the complex numbers z1 comma Z2, Z1, Z2. In the organ diagram, in the organ diagram, okay. Next, O is the origin. O is the origin, okay. If Z1 Z2 bar plus O is the origin, if Z1 Z2 bar plus Z2 Z1 bar Z2 equal to 0 is 0, then show that angle POQ equal to, then show that angle POQ equal to 90 degrees. Understand? Okay. Now let us, the points, question is, the points P comma Q denote the complex numbers Z1 comma Z2 in the organ diagram. O is the origin. If Z1 Z2 bar plus Z1 bar Z2 equal to 0, then show that angle POQ equals to 90 degrees. Listen, let Z1 equal to X1 plus IY1. So what will come Z1 bar? X1 minus IY1. Understand? Z2 equal to X2 plus IY2. Z2 bar equals to X2 minus IY2. Okay. And next, and let O be the origin 0, 0. Consider the value, consider Z1 Z2 bar plus Z1 bar Z2 equal to O. Understand? Okay. Now we can take as like this. Z1 X1 plus IY1, Z2 bar X2 minus IY2 plus Z1 bar X1 minus IY1 plus Z2 X2 plus IY2 equal to 0. Understand? Open the bracket. X1 X2 minus I X1 Y2 plus I Y1 X2 minus I square Y1 Y2. Understand? Now open another two brackets. X1 X2 plus I X1 Y2 minus I Y1 X2 minus I square Y1 Y2 equal to 0. Understand? Minus I Y1 X2 plus I X1 Y2 minus I X1 Y2 get cancelled. X1 X2 how much? 2x1 x2 minus 2I square y1 y2 equal 0. 2 get cancelled. Next, it can be x1 x2 I square value minus 1. That minus and minus will be plus. It can be taken as y1 y2 equal to minus x1 x2 y1 by x1 y1 y2 by x1 x2 equal to minus 1. This can be taken as like this y1 by x1 into y2 by x2 equal to minus 1. y1 by x1, this is slope of OP into y2 by x2, slope of OQ equal to minus 1. So this implies that OP is perpendicular to OQ. Then angle POQ should be 90 degrees. Understand? This is our required proof. We can prove as like this. Understand? The next question. Let us go for another question. The another question will be as like this. The question, okay, show that the points in the organ diagram, show that the points in the organ diagram okay, represented by the complex numbers, complex numbers represented by the complex numbers, okay, z1 comma z2 comma z3, z1 z2 z3 are collinear if and only if there exist three real numbers, p comma q comma r, not all 0, satisfying pz1 plus qz2, pz1 plus qz2 plus rz3 equal to 0 and p plus q plus r equal to 0. Listen, let us go for solution. Consider pz1 plus qz2 plus rz3 equal to 0. Okay. Now this can be taken as like this. Okay. pz1 equal plus qz2 equal to minus rz3. It can be written as pz1 plus qz2 by minus r equal to z3. So this z3 also can be written as pz1 plus qz2 by minus r. Also one important thing here, we have P plus Q plus R equal to 0. This is given condition. According to this, P plus Q equal to can be written as minus R. So, Z3 equal to PZ1 plus QZ2 by minus R nothing but P plus Q. So, this is the formula. Here the Z3, it means Z3 divides the line segment joining the points Z1 and Z2 in the ratio P is to Q. It means as like this. The Z3 divides the line segment Z1, Z2 in the ratio P is to Q. Means all these 3 points Z1, Z2, Z3 lies on the same line. So, Z1, Z2, Z3 lies on the same line. Hence, therefore, Z1, Z2, Z3 are collinear. Understand? Z1, Z2, Z3, 3 points are collinear. We can show like this. Here, Z1 divides Z1, Z2 in the ratio P is to Q. In detail, if required in detail, internally. If in detailed, we can write as like this internally. Z3 as dividing like this. That's why Z1, Z2, Z3, 3 points lies on the same line. So, we can say that Z1, Z2, Z3 are collinear. Understand? We can do as like this. All the remaining problems we can do in the next class. Understand? Okay?